Hi, everyone. This is Dr. Susan Mara with Dr. Mara's Medical Minutes, and today we're going to talk about neuroplasticity. What is neuroplasticity? Neuroplasticity is the ability of the brain to change and adapt with environmental pressures. So, for example, if you've had an accident and you had a traumatic brain injury, we try and rely on the fact that the brain is very neuroplastic in order for you to help you heal. So the brain is like, if you can think about it, the brain is like putty or clay, and it's constantly being able to be molded as a result of experiences and environmental pressures. So neuroplasticity is a really important phenomenon of the brain, and basically, it's the extent to which neurons in the brain can adapt and change with the environment. And it's a rewiring of the brain. For example, when you have a brain insult like traumatic brain injury, it's a rewiring of the brain in a way that is beneficial to you moving forward. And there's a, a lot of talk around neuroplasticity now because it really involves changes in synaptic transmission, neurotransmitter production, neurochemistry, and it really restores function after you've had an injury, a brain injury. And so now that resiliency or that plasticity definitely changes as a function of age. As you get older, you lose your neuroplasticity. Examples of neuroplasticity are learning to use a new instrument, learning a new language, learning to navigate a new city. These are all examples of neuroplasticity. So the brain is very, very capable of learning new things. And that's why it's important all through your life, even well into your 70s and 80s, that you should continue to challenge your brain with puzzles, with going to new places, with new social interactions. All these things matter quite a bit. Activities that can help the development of neuroplasticity include positive social interactions, new activities, visiting new places, engaging in play, puzzles, stimulating environments, reading new books, positive activities, mental training like in mindful meditation, and developing a sense of purpose. All of these things very much help the process of neuroplasticity to take place. And there is one particular molecule that's involved with neuroplasticity, and it's called brain-derived neurotropic factor. And it is produced in the endothelial reticulum, and it is, endoplasmic reticulum, and it is one of the nerve growth factors, and it's important for long-term memory. And it is upregulated by the nutrient niacin. So niacin upregulates brain-derived neurotropic factor. You can take a supplement for brain-derived neurotropic factor. Research Nutritionals produces one. It's called BDNF. And you can take that, and that will help. But better yet, to engage in the environment and learn new things and puzzles, new interactions, making new friends. All of these things increase brain-derived neurotropic factor. And when you have high levels of brain-derived neurotropic factor, you are more likely to engage in neuroplasticity, and your brain then will be adapting to the environment that it is presented with. And so it's a really good idea to keep your brain active well into your later years. And you can do that. I just gave you a list of things that you can do. It's a really important factor in helping to prevent dementia. So I hope that you found this information useful. Neuroplasticity is a great it's a great way for your brain to stay active with the environment. And you can take a supplement from Research Nutritionals called Brain-Derived Neurotropic Factor. I hope you found this information helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.